See, in the last class we have derived one integral, okay. See, integral of 1 by exponent a square is 1 by 2a into log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. See, this is one particular function, okay. See, the question was, so we have written the question here, okay. See, integral of 1 by exponent a square, we have found out the integral, and hence evaluate integration of 1 by x square minus 25. So using this result, we have to integrate this. So I will continue from here. See, let us take this integral as 1 by x square minus 25 with respect to x, okay. See, now we have to use this result. See, denominator, in the denominator I have x square minus 25. So I can write that as, see, 1 by x square minus, see, 25 can be written as pi square. Pi square means what? 25. Then, okay. So how do you make use of this result here? See, 1 by x square minus a square, okay. So that is, see here, observe this, 1 by x square minus a square. So here a is what? 5. Now I can make use of this result. See, should know this result, 1 by 2a. So 1 by 2 into, so what is a is 5. 1 by 2a, that is 2 into 5 log of, say, x minus a. So x minus a means 5 divided by x plus 5 plus constant of integration. See here, coefficient of, note that coefficient of x square is what? 1. It must be 1 here. Coefficient of x square is 1. So we have made use of this result. So 1 by x minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a into log of x minus a divided by x plus a plus. See, this is our first standard result, okay. So let us continue and go for the other result. Okay, see, second question is, find the integral of, let me change these terms. See, a square minus a x square with respect to x, and hence evaluate integration of 1 by a square minus 81. So let me go for another result. Observe carefully. This is the second result which I am going to proceed. Find the integral of 1 by a square minus x square. So here terms are interchangeable, a square minus x square. So the procedure is same. Now let us equate it to, see, 1 by a square minus x square. Then see, make use of the same formula, a square minus b square formula. Say a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b with respect to x. Now see, dividing and multiplying, see, same steps, dividing and multiplying by 2a. See, 2a is a constant. So then, see, write 1 2a outside, then another 2a in the numerator divided by a minus x into, okay, a plus x as it is in the denominator. Then write this 2a as a plus a. So that is, I will write it here only. See, 1 by, okay, I will continue here. See, 1 by 2a into integration of this 2a can be written as a plus a. Then write the denominator as it is. See, a minus x into a plus x. Then 1 by 2a into integration of, see, now first term is a. I want x because a is attached to x. So in the numerator, add and subtract, see, add and subtract x. Then you write all the terms as it is. See, a minus x into a plus x with respect to x. Okay, let me write dx. Then see, group the terms. See, a minus x into a plus x. Then okay, let me group this a. Okay, a plus x. Okay, in the denominator, observe the denominator, a minus x into a plus x. Okay, so let me write that 1 by 2a into integration of, see, a plus x. I will group these two terms, a plus x. Okay, see, I have grouped this a and x, a plus x. Then remaining terms, okay, remaining terms I will show it here. See, plus remaining terms are this a minus x divided by a minus x into a plus x with respect to x. Okay. So observe this, a plus x plus a minus x. Then now I can split this. So let me split these terms. Okay. So now denominator is a monomial, numerator is contains plus here. So a plus x divided by denominator plus a minus x divided by denominator. So I can write it directly. Okay, see 1 by 2a, we write it as it is. Let me put the square bracket. See a plus x divided by a minus x into a plus x. Then a plus x it cancels. I will get 1 by a minus x. Then okay, integration of with respect to x separately I can integrate it plus integration of see a minus x divided by a minus x into a plus x. Then a minus x get cancels. So I will get 1 by a plus x. Okay, after splitting this, see a plus x divided by a minus x into a plus x get cancels, I get a minus x in denominator. A minus x get cancels, I get 1 by a plus x. So let me close this. Then okay, we'll continue here. Okay, see now I have to integrate this and this. See 1 by 2a, I will write it as it is. See 1 by 2a. See now let us integrate this. See, observe this carefully. Let us integrate this one. See integration of okay, let me show it here. See, we know integration of 1 by x is what? See log x. Now I have to integrate, see 1 by a, see you should be very careful here. Integration of 1 by a minus x is what? Log, see log x. X means what? See this a minus x, log x. Okay, log x. So you should not forget here. See log x divided by, write the coefficient of, see coefficient of x is minus 1. Okay, that we have to write it in the denominator. See coefficient of x is minus 1. So integration of 1 by a minus x is log of a minus x divided by minus 1. This one, you have to note down this result. Then plus, see integration of 1 by a plus x. Here coefficient of x is plus 1, therefore we need not worry. Just we can write it log of the, see log of a plus x. Integration of 1 by a plus x is log of a plus x plus constant of integration. Now see 1 by 2a in the denominator. Okay, outside 1 by 2a into, so okay, first I will write this and approach, see log of a plus x. I will write this term here, log of a plus x. See minus 1 is in the denominator, I will write that minus here, minus log of a minus x. Okay, then you treat this as m, this as n. See log m minus log n. So I can write that as 1 by 2a into log of m by n. That is m means what? A plus x divided by n means a minus x plus constant of integration. So what I got at the end, our standard result is, therefore let me write it here. See 1 by a square minus x square, this result gives me 1 by 2a into log of a plus x divided by a minus x plus constant of integration. So this is our second standard result. Very, very important. So note down this. See 1 by 2a, okay, 1 by 2a into log of, okay, see a plus x in the numerator divided by a minus x. See a square minus x square is there, so I get a plus x divided by a minus x in the denominator. So this is our second particular function. So here a square minus x square is there. Now after doing this derivation, we have to integrate this. Okay, let me continue here. Let me delete this also. Now observe carefully, I will take this. Okay, then I is equal to, see 1 by a square minus, see 81 can be written as what? 9 square. Then see here a means what? A is equal to what? 9. Then make use of this a square minus x square. See a square minus okay, let me change this question. So this will be 81 minus x square. Okay, 81 minus x square. So because constant is, a is constant, so I can write that as 9 square minus x square. Okay, see instead of a, I what is the number here? See 9. So 9 square minus x square. Then replace a. See, replace a by 9. Then I can write this as 1 by 2 into, see, a means 9 log of. So a means what? 9. 9 plus x. See, a plus x divided by 9 minus x plus. So this will be our answer. Otherwise, we can multiply this. Otherwise, I will write one more step. 2 9s are 18. Log of 9 plus x divided by 9 minus x plus constant of integration. So here we can make the correction here. See, integration of 1 by 81 minus x square. So we have deduced this result. Integration of 1 by x square minus x square is 1 by 2a into log of a plus x divided by a minus x. We can make use of that. So in this way we can integrate this particular function. See, we have deduced two results. Okay, so these are the standard integrals. Then let us go for another result. Okay, see, third one. So let me read the question first. Find the integral of 1 by x square plus a square with respect to x, and hence evaluate integration of 1 by x square plus 16. Let me take up this another question, 5 marks, very very important. So let us find out this integral. Say, observe this, 1 by x square plus a square is given. So we have worked out two results, that is integration of 1 by x square minus a square. Then another one is integration of 1 by a square minus x square. Observe the denominator, a square minus x square, and this one is x square minus a square. So we have derived these two results. Now we are considering this 1 by x square plus a square. Denominator is x square plus a square. Numerator fixed, that is 1. And coefficient of x square in all the cases is 1. So let us take up this. So let I is equal to, see, integration of 1 by x square plus a square. See here, we cannot use any formula for denominator, so we use substitution method. Okay, this is very very important. See, we use substitution method. So that is, see here, x square plus a square is there. So put x is equal to, see, this is the important thing, you have to remember this. Put x is equal to a tan theta. See, why we have to consider a? Because x square, denominator is x square plus a square. Okay, that's why our substitution should be a along with tan theta, a tan theta. Now after substituting, to differentiate this with respect to, say, theta or x, then we get dx by, I differentiate with respect to theta, so we get dx by d theta. See here, dx by d theta is equal to, a is constant, derivative of tan theta with respect to theta is what? Secant square theta, or dx is equal to, shift this theta here or cross multiplying, I get d theta. All are same here. See, I will write this directly. So dx is equal to a into tan theta is secant square theta into d theta. Okay, with respect to theta. So cross multiplication, I will do this. Okay, then this integral becomes, see here, x, our substitution is what? X is equal to a tan theta. Okay, this becomes, see, I is equal to integration of 1 by, see, denominator changes here. So observe carefully, 1 by, see, x square, x means what? A tan theta. So that is, see, x square means a tan theta whole square. Observe this, a square, tan theta whole square means what? Tan square theta. So that is a square tan square theta plus this a square as it is. See, dx is there, dx. So dx means a secant square theta into d theta. So dx is a secant square theta d theta. I have substituted this. So my integral becomes in terms of theta. Then we shall continue. Okay. So let me continue from here. Then okay, integration of let me continue. Okay, let me continue here. Integration of, see, 1 by, see here a square is common, so I will take a square outside, so that we get tan square theta plus 1. Okay, tan square theta plus 1, and here I have a secant square theta d theta as it is. Then 1 by a square, see this is constant, I will write outside 1 by a square, integration of 1 by, see 1 plus tan square theta. So we know 1 plus identity, see 1 plus tan square theta is what? Secant square theta. So that instead of that I can write that as secant square theta. Okay, into, I will write this a secant square theta. Okay, this a I can take outside this a, so okay, I will write it a here. Only thing is secant square theta into d theta. This 1a cancels, I will get 1 by a into integration of this secant square theta get cancels. See integration of, okay, d theta, that means 1 is left over, 1 into d theta. Okay, then okay, I'll write it here. See 1 by a, I'll write it as it is, 1 by a. Observe this, 1 by a. See integration of 1, what is integration of 1 with respect to theta? That variable itself, 1 into d theta means integration of 1 with respect to theta is what? That is theta, 1 by a into theta. So that is 1 by a, I will write it as it is. What is this theta? See, theta I have to substitute here. See, x, our substitution is x is equal to a tan theta. Okay, so x is equal to a tan theta means, okay, I will write it. See, our substitution is x is equal to a tan theta is here. So if I solve for theta here, see, bring this x, this tan theta is equal to what? X by a. Okay, observe this, tan theta, if I solve for tan theta, that is x by a, or so this tan to the right hand side, theta is equal to what? Tan inverse x by a. So 1 by a theta, so theta means what? Tan inverse x by a plus constant of integration. So our result is, therefore integration of 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus constant of integration. See, this is another important standard result, our third result. Okay, so along with this we have given, hence evaluate 1 by x square plus 16. Okay, so I can write this as 1 by x square plus 4 square. Then observe this, see a, here a is what? 4. So now I can make use of this, see 1 by a, see a means what? 4, 1 by 4 into tan inverse x divided by a, so a means what? 4 plus, this is the integral. See, coefficient of x square is what? 1. If coefficient of x square is other than 1, then we have to take that common. So we shall discuss those cases later. First you remember this result. So we have proved 3 important results. Okay, integration of 1 by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Okay, so including previous class and this session, so we have proved these 3 results. Integration of 1 by x square minus a square. Second one is integration of a square minus x square. Then the third result is integration of 1 by x square plus a square, or a square plus x square. Okay, these 3 results. See, the first 2 results, I can write it 1 by 2a into log of. Okay, 1 by 2a into log of. Those two are very, very important. See, just proved here. See, 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. This is the third one. Just we have proved it. Then see, first one is 1 by x square minus a square. That is 1 by 2a into log of x minus a divided by x plus a. Then the second one is, see, 1 by x square. Okay, 1 by a square minus x square is just we have proved here. See, a plus x divided by a minus x. So these are the three important results which we have proved in this session. Okay. See, observe this. In all the results, see, forget about this a. A is a constant. See, coefficient of x square in all these forms should be unity or 1. So what is our observation here? Coefficient of x square should be 1. If coefficient of x square is other than 1, then take that as a common factor. Okay, then make use of these results. See, how to remember these results? See, 1 by 2a is common, and all the denominators what I have written here, see, numerator 1 is fixed. In the denominator we have irrational functions, x square minus a square minus x square, and x square plus a square. See, then see, x square minus, if the denominator is x square minus a square, then you write log of x minus a in the numerator, x plus a in the denominator. If a comes first, a square minus x square, then you write positive sign, a plus x divided by a minus x. Okay. Then if 1 by, see, integral of 1 by x square plus a square means 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus constant of integration. See, for first two we have used a square minus b square formula for the denominator. Then for this, substitution method. What is our substitution? Put x is equal to a tan theta. Okay. So these are the first three particular functions or standard forms. Okay. Then let us discuss the other standard results in the next session.